Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy from CaminoWays. I'm actually in Santiago de Compostela at the moment. We have an event every 3 years where we meet all our fantastic suppliers, and I would like to present to you what will be our electric bike for next year. So as you can see, it's very substantial, excellent for on-road and off-road, which you will need when you're cycling the Camino. And just a couple of features very quickly about the electric bike. First of all, it is quite heavy, as you can see, because the battery is stored here. But we don't have a crossbar, so it's very easy just to step on and off. There's a little stand here at the back that you can put down when you're not using it. That's very easily. Basically, like all bikes, you have your panniers at the back, which you can put all your items that you need for your day-to-day. But don't forget, we do your luggage transfer, so our main bag will go to the next hotel while you cycle. So electric biking is a little bit different from your normal regular bike. Of course, you have to pedal, and that's the most important thing. It's assisted cycling as opposed to not having to cycle. So you always have to use your pedals, and you turn your electric bike motor on by pressing here. It's on at the moment, but when you press that, you'll get your little test. I've just turned it off, so I'll turn it back on. And you see the light comes on automatically as well. So you have different settings. So for instance, if you have it on the highest or easiest setting, which will give you the most assistance, and you would use this only for going up hills, steep hills, and the reason you only use it randomly or for going up hills is because you will lose your battery quickly. Obviously, if you want to bring them into your room at night, you just literally pick them up and carry them off, and they pop back straight on there and they click in themselves. So again, very simple. With the battery, you obviously need to charge it in the evening. It can be charged on the bike where you're parked at the hotel. There's places for that. The charger is in here, but in the pannier, obviously comes with the bike. You pull the charger out, and I'll show you where it pops in. So I'll just have to turn the bike around. There's a little switch here that switches up, and that plugs in. I have to hold it there. When you're finished charging, you take it off. Make sure that is closed properly, so it's clicked in, and it prevents any dirt or water or moisture getting in while you're cycling. And always bring your charger with you. Don't forget it. Plug it from the wall and put it back in the pannier. This does come with instructions, so we have a list here. Just have a quick read of this before you start. You get your bike the night before your first cycling day, and everything will be set up and ready for you to go. And buen camino. Thank you very much.